Then next is classification of the distribution lines. So I am Priti Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department of Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. So we will discuss about the classification of the distribution lines. So first one is what are the requirement for the ideal distribution system. So prior to start the erection of the distribution line, through survey should be done of the route of distribution lines. So as per the possible avoids well, river, ponds, rail route, crossing grid, telephone lines, slope, bridge, water logs, area, etc. These are the possible avoids to do the transmission line. Then local authorities must be consulted before deciding the routes, and permissions must be obtained from the railway telephone department for running the parallel or crossover of their lines. Then next is locate the nearest HT tapping for distribution lines. Then next is locate substation at the load center if possible. Then distribution lines for the bulk consumer, that means 11 consumers, be on the separate lines. Then next is for the village or cities, distribution voltage required is 3-phase 415 volt line to line and 230 volt line to neutral. That means 3-phase 415 volt, single phase 230 volt. Then next is for the agriculture load, the transformer substation be located at the load center to be economical as the length of the distribution line and the voltage drop in the line is concerned. Then excessive the frequent derivations of the line be avoided. Then avoids excessive rock blasting. Then long span also avoided. Then some section points be as the minimum as possible. So these are the requirements for the ideal distribution system. Now classification of distribution system. So distribution system classify into the 3 categories according to the nature of current, according to the type of construction, and according to the scheme of connection. So according to the nature of the current, again classify into 2 categories: DC distribution system and AC distribution system. Then DC distribution system also classify into 2 categories: 2-wire DC distribution system and 3-wire DC distribution system. AC distribution system also categorize 2 different parts. First one is primary distribution system and secondary distribution system. Then according to the types of construction, there are classified into 2 categories: overhead system and underground system. Then third one is according to the scheme of connection, also classified into 3 different categories: radial system, ring main system, and interconnected system. So this is the classification of distribution system. Now what are the main components of distribution system? So this is the diagram shows for the general diagram of system explained below. First one is the generating station. Then generating station is connected to the 11 by 220 volt step up transformer. Then the transmission line is 220 kV, that's why step up transformer is 220 kV is given. Then this transmission line is connected to the primary substation. The primary substation rating having 220 by 66 by 33 kV. Then this primary substation is connected to the sub transmission system having the 33 kV lines and 66 kV line. Then 33 by 11 kV secondary substations is used. Then through the feeder primary distribution is connected to the different consumers like commercial sectors, industrial sectors and domestic sectors. So secondary distribution line through connected the domestic distribution system. Similarly 66 by 11 kV secondary substation is connected to the other circuits. Then different substations are also connected. Then connected to the 11 kV lines through the railway station, water work, municipality work, and then also distributed to the consumers, factories and all. So this is the generally layout diagram of transmission and distribution system. Thank you.